This is a stop for geomorphology fans in the northeast Sahwave range. Behind me you can see Juniper Pass, which cuts through the Sahwave range here. So we're looking west basically at the rangefront fault along the bounds the sharp base of the Sahwave range in a very straight line. Another thing you can see is a little bit out front from the steepest part of the rangefront. There's a second scarp that cuts across the alluvium there, maybe about 10 meters high. I'll take some close-up pictures. Then that cuts across, and it has a few little branches that steps up here, but you can see it continues all the way across there. And so, since that cuts basically, quaternary or very young alluvium, this indicates this normal fault is basically active. Another thing I'll point out while we're here is that Juniper Pass there is sort of an odd feature because it cuts it's this big deep gap across what is otherwise a very continuous mountain range, and it really strikes me as looking like a water gap, where perhaps there is some sort of antecedent stream that came through and it was there before the mountain was there, and the mountain, as it uplifted, that stream cut its way down. As a matter of fact, the stream that's there is very small. It's a little bit hard to imagine that it could have carved that water gap. On the other hand, there's a whole other basin on the other side that had a small lake, now Blue-winged playa, that maybe during ice ages, maybe that lake could have spilled over this way, and there could have been a more sizable stream running through there, perhaps. But hard to say.